The next tutorial is how to add dimensions to make your drawing look just like this one. Okay, open up your Notepad by clicking the A button and click Open. Find your Notepad and click Open. Once it's open, at the very bottom here you want to go to Layout 1. To zoom in and out, use your scroll wheel or hold your mouse wheel down to get a hand and drag your thing around. What we want to change here is carefully double click on the names. So double click that, give it 2 seconds, and then you can enter in what you want. So this should be your name. Make sure you select center at the top and then click outside. On the left side, let's change it from easel to Notepad. You may need to center it. Do not worry about the scale, but let's change the date. So when you enter a date, it needs to be in day, month, year format, so 25th-07-2016. Okay, now let's work on getting this thing in the center zoomed in. So we are now in paper mode. Paper mode lets you change the things at the bottom. To switch it, we click it one time and now it says model. Be careful with your mouse. At this point we're going to zoom in now using our mouse wheel, and if you hold the mouse wheel down you get the hand. You cannot change what's in the bottom when you're in model mode. To adjust the size, we want to zoom out or zoom in so it's just about like so. Once you're happy, click back from model and then it turns on paper again. Now if we zoom in and out, it changes the paper size. Switch your layer type to dimension. Now go to annotate on the top of your keyboard. Make sure that your dim scale is set to 1. So we're going to type in the bottom, dim scale, enter, and type in 1. Now let's go and add dimensions. So I click on the dimension button. I need to click 2 points. So I'll click this point and this point. I'll zoom in here and move my mouse straight up to place the distance. Let's do that again for this point and this point. Move it up a little higher and we can place the next one. Now that's the exact same as if I had deleted this and went from here to here. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, but they need to be nice and lined together. Next, let's go from here to here and go up. Place it nice and in line. From here to here, place it. And from here to there and place it. Let's click dimension again and let's click on the end and the end and move up and place it right above. Let's repeat now. So this point and this point and move over and click. It must be sideways. To move your piece around, you hold the mouse wheel down to get a hand. Alright, let's add sizes between here and here. Between this point and this point, and we need to make sure we're going to the side. From here in the middle, and we're going to go down. From here in the middle and go to the side. From here and there and go. Well, that is not going to work. Let's hit escape. Let's try again. Dimension, this point, and let's try again. Dimension, this point, and that point. There you go. Okay, and let's check our drawing. We need one here, from there to there. Dimension, this point, and go down. Okay, we need one between the center of that and the side. Alright, hit escape. So that placed in the wrong spot. So if I click it, I can then click that blue button and move it down. Alright, let's click escape. Let's click dimension between there and there. Let's place that in. Okay, I can click that button, click the blue one and move it out. We need one here, and finally, so dimension, center, and the point, and we'll move it there. Okay, I think we've done everything. Oh, we need the 2 points between the middle. So dimension, that point, and that point. Alright, and we need to put the radius in for the curve. So dimension, okay, pick the curve. Alright, that's not going to work. Let's see, can we do something else? I can click the drop down arrow and click on radius. I think the screen is loading. We'll just wait a moment. Alright, click on the curve, and I can drag it in or out or wherever I want it. So let's put it over here. That looks good there. Alright, now just double check everything looks good, and that's the end of the tutorial. You've finished your drawing. Click on save. And if you're going to go back to edit things, you click back on model. See, it goes back to that screen. And click on home to go back here. So layout is your printing and model is your normal. Alright, save your drawing and you've finished.